I want to show you a 2-day trade live from my mobile of me trading the 111 strategy. And again, you can get the book and the bonuses of the 111 trading strategy. It is the pinned comment in the description down below where you get full access to everything related to this strategy. And again, I use this strategy every single week. And again, I'm showing you live how I'm using it just to generate passive income. Now, we have 2 days to go. So this is more of a scalp trade for more of you traders out there that want to do short-term trades. I found an opportunity within Tesla. We are on August 1st, 2 days to expiration. And the 111 strategy consists of a debit spread financed by a put to open it for a credit. Again, all the details are down below. So what we're going to do, as you can see here, we are buying the 325 and selling the 327.50. So that is the debit spread that if I take this one off, is a debit of $65. So it's going to cost me $65 to place this trade. Now, what we want to do is part of the 111 is do the final one leg of selling a call in this instance that is going to not only finance that debit spread, but also give us some premium as well. And that is the premium that we're looking to do. So again, if I sell the 330, you can see now we've gone from a debit to a credit. So we're going to get credited, between $61 and $67 into our account. And what this creates is a situation where we expect Tesla to drop or to move up very slowly, not even touching anywhere near our 325 strike in the next 2 days. Now, if that happens and Tesla starts to go up, this is where the debit spread starts making you money, and therefore it gives you the ability to make more than the $64 that you can see as the mid price there, where you can make up to the width of the spread. So the width of the spread is $2.50. So 327.50 minus 325 gives you a 250 spread. So remember, a debit spread, you want the price to move into your debit spread for you to start making money. But what we don't want to do is we don't want it to go past 330, because then we'll start eating into our debit spread and therefore make a potentially less money. So again, if that sounds complicated, it's all down inside the description. So I'm going to place this trade. Let's see where we get filled at. I got a bit hasty just for the video, so I got filled at $61. So I've banked $61 from this trade. The goal on this trade, depending on what happens to Tesla tomorrow, will determine if we want to get out of this trade for 50% of the profit. So make a quick and dirty $30, or we can capture more of that. So again, my break even on this trade is roughly around 4 to 5%. But again, looking at the indicators, looking at the chart of Tesla in terms of, the arcing wedge that's going on. Again, don't want to go into the details of why I picked the strikes that I did. Again, you can join my coaching program if you guys are interested in that. But let's now fast forward to whether it's tomorrow or Friday, depending on how the trade goes, and let's see where we're at. And the key thing is, if we do get into trouble on this trade, I will show you how we can manage the situation to give ourselves more time to be right. So I should see you guys shortly. So it's the next day, half an hour before the market close, and you can see here that I'm up $43 on the day. So Tesla did make a down move, kind of as we were expecting, but we did have the hedge to the upside in case that play went in. So you can see here, my average price was $59. That's again the credit minus the fees that we took in. And I'm $44 up. So whatever that is, 88, 89% or whatever it is. So I feel here that we are at a good place to close the position. And again, some of you might be wondering, why not just leave it to go get the extra $10, $11, whatever it is. And that's because the risk. What is the point taking the risk of potentially Tesla going up to the upside and having to manage that position, take it to another cycle for $10, $11? The best case scenario, the move went in your favor. We took the profits, and now let's close this position. Perfect. So we got filled. We took a $12 debit to do that. So again, we have made roughly $50 on this position in just 24 hours. And that's the power of the 1-1-1 strategy, where if the move did go against us, we had that debit spread hedge as a protection against it. So if you want to know more about this strategy, how it works, plus amazing bonuses, check the link down below and the pinned comment down below of where you can get a copy and learn the strategy and do the trades I'm doing.